EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to generate an equipment with an arbitrary shape from scratch. Whenever possible, it is better to use EPLANT primitive elements only, because these elements are parametrically defined and have projection rules for 2D plans. Let's start placing one of these elements. There are several available elements. We'll place a rectangular prism. First, we define its dimensions. It is a new element and now its position. With Execute, the prism is created with the dimensions just defined. Let's add a solid element of the cat. We'll use the prism vertices as snap. It has resulted in a wedge. These elements do not belong to any equipment yet. For this operation, we select the New Name option in the Equipment menu. The equipment name will be input by typing it. Now we need to add the graphic elements to the name just created. We select the equipment name in the menu and next select the elements to add. The equipment has been defined and we can check it. Using EPLANT elements whenever it is possible is better because having a parametric definition, it is easy to modify them. Remember that it is a modification and not a new element.